Like, look at the body. Hey guys, it's your girl phiraphierce, and I'm coming at you with another video. And this video is basically me going from 0 to 100 because, girl, this was a whole transformation. Like, I looked crazy before I threw this hair on and before I got this face. And y'all see my hair though? Like, this thing is flowing, honey. When I tell you this wig was looking so raggedy, like, look at the body. Like, this wig was looking so raggedy, and now this thing is flowing. Like, it's restored, brand new, looking healthy, looking like I literally just brought this hair. And I had this hair for years. I bleached the hair, as you could see, and everything, and this thing was really like crispy. And this product that I'm about to use in this video really transformed this hair. And also, so you guys know, this video is in sponsorship with Mayraki. I think I'm saying it right. Basically it's a keratin instant smoother system, but it's 100% vegan. But I'm gonna go ahead and not ramble too much for you guys. I just want you guys to enjoy this video, so I'll explain more of the product once we get started. If you'd like to see this video, see how I achieved this hair, girl, keep on watching. I also did do my makeup, so the video is not about the makeup though. Like, let's be honest, the hair is what we're here for. Like, look at this. But if you guys want to keep watching, just stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. So as you can see here, my freaking hair looks raggedy as hell. Like, it's just dry, it's brittle, it's all over the place. It looks a mess. I just want y'all to get a really good look of what this hair looks like. Like, it's super just raggedy, low-key a tad bit stiff. It's just wait till y'all see y'all. So I'm sure most of you are familiar with a keratin treatment. The good thing about this one is it's formaldehyde-free, it's 100% vegan, it has no harsh chemicals, so you're pretty much good. It's only 2 steps as well, so it's super easy to achieve at home. And I'm not sure if any of you are familiar, but I am in school to get my cosmetology license. I'm almost done, but I have a ton of salon experience. So regular keratin treatments, you have to go through a lot of processes. Like, I used to work at a salon where she had her clients come in, get the treatment initially put in without getting your hair shampooed. You get it in, straighten it, you go home, just because she had so many keratin clients, come back, get it washed out, get it straightened again. Like, it's a whole lot to do. But this one is literally just 2 steps instead of like the 6 steps that you had to take back when keratin. I mean, they still have keratin treatments out like that, but this one is super, super easy and convenient, and so, like, it's just really easy. So I definitely suggest getting it. As you can see here, I'm going in with the shampoo, and I did shampoo it twice. Made sure I got a really good lather in the second time. So this would be considered the step 1 of the process. Now I'm getting ready to go on with step 2. What I did was just put it in a coloring bowl and use my brush to apply it. But I used most of the product. I only had about 25% left, maybe a little bit more. But because my unit had like 4 bundles and a frontal, it's super thick. And the natural texture is wavy as well, just so you all know. So if you have a lot of hair, you'll probably end up using a whole bottle, which is fine because this lasts 3 to 4 months. So you literally only need to just buy like the keratin treatment on its own every time you need to redo it. So yeah. So me working at a salon, it would be it was easier for me to do it this way. I believe you'll get a better application, you'll get better results. As you can see in the beginning of the video, my hair was super sleek, super straight, lot of bounciness, shininess. So if you want to achieve those type of looks, I suggest you take your time in applying the product. So here you could see I'm struggling with detangling it a little bit, mainly because it's just shampoo in the hair. There's no type of conditioner, but that's what the keratin treatment is for. It gives the hair like smoothing properties and conditions the hair as well. So you will see that I'm gonna stop talking now because I think I gave you guys enough information about this product. But like I said, once you see the end results, which you already kind of did, and you saw the before, like, you're gonna be freaking amazed, because I know you guys are already amazed, because this hair literally was trash. I mean, it wasn't, but because I colored it and it got super dry, it just wasn't in the best condition. But after I did this treatment, she was good and ready to go. But as you can see, I'm taking like medium-sized sections, smoothing the hair, and I just do this throughout. But like I said, I'm gonna stop talking now and just let you guys watch the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will catch you guys in my next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
One hour later.